Hi guys, it's again AMIFULLEST. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to do a sleek bun using the Got2b gel. Yes, so I had this one lying down in the house. I have like two. I have the black one and the yellow one. So I don't really use it to lay down my edges with my lace front weave, because I use the elastic method, which I'll be doing a video to show you guys how I do that. So I thought, you know what, and I want to have like this really nice sleek bun, so I decided, you know what, let me try this instead of the ego styling gel. So this is my natural hair. I have conditioned my natural hair. I moisturize it, and this is my 3-year worth of growth. This is my 3-year worth of growth. If you guys are following me on my Instagram, you guys have seen me post pictures. This is my hair 3 years. This is me 3 years natural. This is it. And so I'm really excited. I moisturized my hair, so I can't wait to like give myself this really nice sleek bun. But first, because my hair is so big, we're going to part this hair into some sections so that it's more easy to work with. I'm first going to part the back. Okay, the bigger, the longer my hair gets, the difficult it gets to work with. I don't know why. Like, it is so difficult, so painful. Okay, so if you guys see me making all this crazy face move, like all this, like all that, please don't mind, because trust me, I wanted to do some big chop, but it is so difficult. Like, this is the reason why I never let my hair grow longer, because it is painful. Okay, it's just painful. I've detangled it, but it's still painful. It is. I'm going to like hold this with some elastic band. I moisturize my hair, so I moisturize it with my favorite moisturizer from the Jamaican Mango Online. I use that hair product, the moisturizer, to moisturize my hair. I'm going to pat the middle part. So if you guys want to know how I achieved this bun knot, I made it myself. If you guys want to know how I get that, I'll put that video up so you guys to see. I hope you guys like this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Peace out. Bye.